People can take something from, or is it just
Hurricane
something that
Dorian
continues
Part
to
4.
accumulate as we go throughout the morning?
This is not really a huge big deal, but the road right here in this small residential neighborhood is completely littered, like if it was a zombie apocalypse, and it hasn't been touched by any car for a very long time. If I had a truck with 36-inch tires, maybe I'd fly right through here, go crush everything underneath me, no problem. But I'm taking it a little bit slow. Again, this is not a big deal, but it's very emblematic. Emblematic? I don't think that's the right word. It's a perfect example of what we've got over here. Limbs down. Stuff like this. Here in Summerville, this is probably like 20 miles from the ocean, something like that. I've never done the exact as the crow flies distance, but it's around 20 to 25 miles, and it's blowing. The rain's coming down here and there. Enough wind to cause all this stuff. Pretty cool. Like something big fell off up there. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway. Yep. Awesome sauce. Laters.